So I'm going to teach you how to do the instant insanity challenge for my bed. So, as you can see, it's aligned perfectly right now. And there's actually thousands of different combinations and only one that's correct. So if we dissect this, the first block, how to remember it's the first block is that it has 2 reds and 2 yellows. And so the yellow goes on the bottom and the red goes on top. The second one has 2 blues and 2 greens. And there's always going to be green on bottom and green on top, so there's going to be none showing. Third one has 3 reds, and you want to make sure the red is on the top and bottom. The fourth one has 2 greens and 2 yellows, but you want to make sure the blue is on the bottom. Okay, now we're gonna put those away and then test our theory. Alright, so I've mixed them up. I honestly have no idea. So the first one has 2 reds, 2 yellows. Okay, 3 reds. There you go, 2 reds, 2 yellows. So you want yellow on the bottom and red on the top. There we go. Okay, second one. It's 2 greens, 2 blues. Is that it? No. 2 greens, 2 blues. Okay, perfect. And you want green on the top and green on the bottom. Sometimes you need to flip them over. Make sure that these are all matching. Yes, they are. Third one has 3 reds. This one also you might need to flip over. Okay. Red on bottom, red on top. Okay, perfect. And then the final one has 2 greens and 2 yellows, and you want to put the blue on the bottom. Okay, so which one's missing here? It's green. All right. Perfect. And now that's solved. Awesome. Good luck.